Good morning, students. Today we are starting second chapter of your maths book, that is Roman numerals. How to write the Roman numerals, or what are Roman numbers? Usually we know the countings that started from 0, so we represent the Roman numbers according to these countings or numbers. Roman numbers use 7 letters as numerals. As if we denote 1, then it is denoted like this. 5 is denoted by V. 10 is denoted by X. 50 is denoted by L. 100 is denoted by C. 500 is written as D. 1000 is written as M. So, we write the Roman numbers in the form of alphabets. When we write the Roman numbers, they can be repeated up to 3 times only. And if we have to write down the greater number, we just add the numbers and repeat these numbers only. If 1, 10, 100 and 5000 can be repeated in a row up to 3 times only to form the larger numbers. See here, if we have to write 2, then 1 plus 1 equals to 2, then 2 will be written as like this. If we have to write down 300, then 3 times we can write C. If 1000 plus 1000, 2000. If we have to write down 6, then 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So after 5 we will add 1 like this. By this we can write down the Roman numbers. Now move to the next page. How to write the Roman numbers. Roman numbers from 1 to 50 are given, that how we can write these Roman numbers. Now come to exercise 2A. Question number 1. Write using Hindu Arabic numerals. Roman numbers are given and we have to identify that which number it is. See, first one is 5. So how we will write 5? Next is given 6, then 4, 9, 10. Like this we can identify the number and write down the which number it is. It is 20. Now come to B part. It is written 10 and then 6. 10 plus 6, it is 16. 28. 30. By this we can identify the numbers and we can write down the Hindu Arabic numbers. Now come to C part. X, 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 1. So this is 31. Now come to this part. It is given XL. L is denoted for 50. And before L it is given X. So this is 40. XL 1X. This is 49. Now question number 2. Write using Roman numerals. Here numbers are given and we have to write down the Roman numbers. How we will write down the Roman numbers? It is 2. So we will write down here 2. It is given 8. How we write 8? 5, 6, 7, 8. It is given 40. L is denoted by 50 and 40. X L. 46. How we write down 46? X L and 6. By this we write down the Roman numbers. Now move to the next page. Question number 3. Fill in. Greater than or less than. Now first of all, what you have to do, you have to identify the Roman numbers and then you have to compare them, that which one is greater, and according to that you have to put the sign. See, part A. It is given 8 and this is 7. So 8 is greater than 7. Now D part. X. This is 30. C. This is 200. So this is greater. Now come to this part. X 8. It is 38 and this is 46. So this is greater. Now L and C. This is 50 and this is 100. So this is greater. Like this we put the greater than or less than sign. Now question number 4. Fill in greater than, less than or equals to. Again we have to identify the Roman numbers, compare it with the digit, then we have to put the sign. First one is given 22 and it is 12, so it is greater. 4 plus 2 6 and this is XL2, that is 42, so this is greater. 20 is subtracted from 30, that is 10 and it is also 10, so here it is comes equals. It is 37 and ये 38, so again this is greater. C 100 and this is 50, so we will put the sign like this. 20 plus 6 26 and this is 24, so this one is greater. Like this we will solve the questions and put the sign. Now question number 5. Write in ascending order. X X, L, C, XL. First of all, what is ascending order? We write down the smallest number at first and largest number in last. Here Roman numbers are given. Identify the Roman number and then arrange them in ascending order. First one is 30. First one is 30. This is 20, 10, 50, 100. It is 40. So ascending order, first one 10 will come, so we will write down X, then XX, then this XXX. After that 40 will come, XL, then L, and then 100 at last, C will come. Like this we will write down the ascending order. And these two parts will also be solved like this only. First we write down the numbers and then we arrange them in ascending order. Now question number 6. Descending order. Part A, 12, 13, 29, 19, 9 and 11. We write down the numbers and then we write down the largest number at first. So, which is the largest number? 29. Then 19. Then 13, 12, 11 and 9. Like this we will arrange in descending order. Now question number 7. Write the answers in Roman numbers. Question number 7a. 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. So how to write 32 in Roman numbers? 32. 81 divided by 9. Answer 9 will come. So what we will write? 9. 12 plus 12, 24. So 24. 370 divided by 10. So what is the answer? 37. So 37. 6 into 6, 36. So we will write down here 36. Like this, we will write down the answers in Roman numbers. Okay? So by this, your chapter 2 is completed, and next time we will start the next chapter. Okay?